Welcome to Jnana Learning Yoga Session video.
Namaste. Let me introduce you to a yoga posture, Paadahasthasana. Pada literally means your feet, Hasta means your hands. So this asana, you try to touch your feet with your hands. It is very good for students for improving their blood circulation in the head region. So let us get started. Stand with your legs together, hands beside your body. As you inhale, stretch your arms up and give a nice stretch up, your palms facing forward. As you exhale, bend down from your hips and try to touch your toes. To be more comfortable in this posture, take both hands behind your leg and fold your arms behind your leg. And with further exhalation, try to touch your forehead to your knee. Just remain in this posture for as long as you can comfortably. When you want to come back, release your hands. Inhaling, stretch up. Exhaling, bring your hands down. From side view, stand with your legs together. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Give a nice pull up. Exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your feet. Now with further exhalation, fold your hands behind your leg and try to touch your forehead to your knee. Remain in this posture with normal breathing. When you want to come back, release your hand. Inhaling, slowly come up. Exhaling, bring your hands down and relax. As students, you can practice this daily for either 5 rounds, or if you practice it one time, just try to hold the final posture for 5 to 10 normal breath. Thank you.